home is only as good as its foundation. And this foundation was built by the hands of the Arch Cabins tribe.
My name is Brian Buss. Dakota Becker.
Marcos.
Dave Strophe.
Randallyn Heron.
David Heron.
Flew in from Livermore, California. Retired police officer.
Eagle, Colorado. I'm in the outdoor industry. I teach skiing, and I'm developing a small nursery.
Lamoille, Nevada. Prior to retirement, I was a behavioral psychologist.
Fort Worth, Texas. I work for a ministry.
I'm a handyman. Wattsville, California. Construction. My sister-in-law bought a kit and asked for help, so here I am.
We've had people come from all over the country to help build dreams and memories for one of our community. She had purchased a 16 by 40 arch cabin, and she was in just the perfect place and time for one of our build seminars.
My name's Jennifer. I am a therapist, and this is my cabin.
After a brief meet and greet, it was time to build this cabin. We had 4 days to build, and I wanted everyone to get their hands dirty. When going into these builds, you never know what to expect. But each member of this group gave it their all, and we were able to make progress that rivaled even my most seasoned crew. It was great to see people from all different walks of life, getting to know each other, eating great food, and the camaraderie and fun that we had throughout the week. The atmosphere was one of excitement.
The Arch Cabin community, it's a group of people. It doesn't matter what your level of expertise is, you know nothing about housing to you're an engineer. As long as you are a community and you work together and are teachable and coachable and able to listen, anybody can do this.
From our last build seminar, we've had multiple people that were at that build seminar that have traveled to each other's houses to help them build. This is what's awesome about our community. This is what's awesome about the houses, is people come together.
Hello, my name is Chris Fonseca, Spring, Texas. I'm currently in real estate.
Christian Herrera. This is my wife, Sophia. Lavon, Texas. Restaurant industry and multimedia journalism.
And I'm a landscape designer.
My name is Becky. I came from San Diego. I'm a licensed cosmetologist.
My name is David Powers. My occupation is a mouthful, right? I'm an IT operations specialist for the Office of Attorney General, Washington, D.C., Child Support Enforcement Services.
Okay, come towards me. 5 7/16.
What's a story or something about you that illustrates that you think outside of the box?
Gosh, I don't even know.
I love to learn new things. I love to try new things.
I just like to meet my needs as much as I can with my own hands and my own creativity.
Since we've been married, we have thought and dreamed about living in a Quonset hut, vintage camper, pretty much anything alternative to the box.
I'm pretty weird, so I believe that I was put on this earth to make it a happier place.
I like things different. I don't want to do the normal 9 to 5. I don't want to live in the normal box. The last 4 years I was in operations, and I got laid off this past summer. Spent the summer hanging out with my kids. And we're really just looking at what our life looks like and can I actually spend my time building this for us and turning it into more financial freedom.
What is a story that you feel illustrates that you think outside of the box?
Well, Christian and I, we actually decided to get married underground in a limestone cavern. When you're in that darkness and you're there and you can choose to find the beauty and look towards the light will guide you out through it. We got married at a pretty low place in our lives, and we've really used our experience with one another and that light to guide us through anything.
Jillian and I used to live here in Houston. We got a starter home, got a Fannie Mae loan. She was working 50, 60 hours a week. I was doing the same. Our son was in daycare full time. And we were like, what is this? We want quality of life. But we had bought previously a little piece of land in New Mexico, and it was never in our intention to go up there and live up there.
You want to get some appies? Apples!
We moved to New Mexico and we built our house $5,000 at a time. We were living in an arch cabin that was fully paid for 6 months later. We started gardens, we had chickens. Our kids, most importantly, we got to spend more time with them, because that's what this is about, right?
My mission is to build out a vision that I had of a retreat for first responders for dealing with PTSD.
My mission in life is I got 3 more years until I retire, and I'm ready to travel.
Our mission in life is freedom in every area,
Before we even met, we knew that we wanted a cabin in the woods. We can see the vision, we can see the dream.
I'm coming to realize that I can do this. This is an opportunity to build my forever home and to live out my days knowing that I built the home my wife and I live in. That's super important.
It's awesome that I get to do what I want and what I want for my kids instead of being stuck in like a mortgage. Arch Cabins really gave me hope.
When Dave created Arch Cabins, I don't think he had any idea he was building more than just a home. He was building a community, a group of people that wanted to build their own lifestyle, a group of people willing to not only help themselves, but help each other in their journey to a brighter future.